In the heart of Tehran, a monumental structure pierces the skyline, a symbol of Iran's rich and complex history. This is the Azadi Tower, or Freedom Tower, an icon that has witnessed the nation's triumphs and tribulations for over half a century. But how did this architectural marvel come to be? Let's journey back to the late 1960s to uncover its story. The idea for the tower was born from a desire to commemorate the 2500th anniversary of the founding of the Persian Empire by Cyrus the Great. In 1966, the ruling Pahlavi dynasty announced a national competition to design a monument that would embody Iran's ancient past while looking forward to its modern future. The competition drew entries from many established architects, but the winning design came from a surprising source: a 24-year-old recent graduate of the University of Tehran's Faculty of Fine Arts, Hossein Amanat's vision was a breathtaking fusion of pre-Islamic and Islamic architectural styles. He drew inspiration from the grand arches of the Sassanid era, particularly the famous Tak Khosra in Ctesiphon, and combined it with the intricate geometry and tilework of classic Islamic mosques. His design was not just a static structure. It was a dynamic gateway, a portal connecting Iran's glorious history with its ambitious aspirations. Construction began in 1968 on what was then known as the Shayad Tower, meaning King's Memorial. The project was a massive undertaking. The tower stands 45 meters, or about 148 feet, tall. Its main structure is clad in over 8,000 blocks of pristine white marble, sourced from the quarries of Isfahan, a city renowned for its artistic heritage. These stones were meticulously cut and shaped by master craftsmen, each piece fitting together like a giant, intricate puzzle. The base of the tower features a complex geometric pattern that flows seamlessly into the main arch, creating a sense of both strength and elegance. Beneath the tower lies the Azadi Museum, an integral part of Amanat's design. This subterranean space was conceived to house artifacts and exhibits that would narrate the long and storied history of Iran. The museum's design is just as impressive as the tower above it, with flowing lines and innovative use of space that guide visitors on a chronological journey through Persian civilization. On October 16, 1971, the Shayad Tower was officially inaugurated in a lavish ceremony attended by dignitaries from around the world. The event was the centerpiece of the 2,500-year celebrations, a spectacular display of national pride. For the next several years, the tower stood as a symbol of the Shah's modernizing Iran, a beacon of progress and power. However, history had other plans. In the late 1970s, Iran was swept by revolutionary fervor. The very square surrounding the tower became a focal point for massive protests and gatherings against the monarchy. Millions of Iranians converged on Shayad Square demanding change. When the Iranian Revolution succeeded in 1979, the monument's identity was transformed along with the nation's. The King's Memorial was renamed Azadi Tower, or Freedom Tower, to honor the spirit of the revolution. The square itself was renamed Azadi Square. Since then, the Azadi Tower has remained at the center of Iranian public life. It is the site of annual National Day parades, political rallies, and cultural celebrations. At night, it is often illuminated with vibrant light shows or the colors of the Iranian flag. Its white marble serving as a canvas for messages of unity and remembrance. From its conception as a royal tribute to its rebirth as a symbol of revolution, the Azadi Tower encapsulates the dramatic shifts of modern Iranian history. It is more than just a landmark. It is a testament to the enduring spirit of a nation, a gateway that continues to welcome visitors to Tehran while standing as a silent witness to the unfolding story of Iran. Its unique blend of ancient and modern design serves as a constant reminder of a culture that is deeply rooted in its past, yet always looking toward the horizon. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of the Azadi Tower. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more stories from around the world. We'll see you in the next one.